Be ready? Start. The United Nations is one of the most significant international organizations in modern history. Established on October 24, 1945, following the devastating impact of World War II, the United Nations was founded to promote peace, security, and cooperation among nations. Today, it serves as a global platform for addressing international issues, fostering dialogue, and facilitating collaboration between its 193 member states. The primary objective of the United Nations is to maintain international peace and security. This mission is encapsulated in its character, which outlines principles such as the peaceful resolution of disputes, the protection of human rights, and the promotion of sustainable development. The organization's work is guided by principles of sovereignty, equality, and respect of international law. The United Nations structure includes six major organs: the General Assembly, where all member states have equal representation. It serves as a forum for discussion and decision making on global issues. The Security Council, responsible for maintaining peace and security. It has 15 members, including 5 permanent members with veto power: the United States, the United Kingdom, Russia, China, and France. The International Court of Justice, which resolves disputes between states and provides advisory opinions on legal questions. The Secretariat, led by the Secretary General, which carries out the UN day-to-day operations. The Economic and Social Council, which coordinates economic, social, and environmental efforts. The Trusteeship Council, now largely inactive, which oversaw the transition of territories to self-governance or independence. Over the decades, the United Nations has played a pivotal role in preventing conflicts, fostering diplomatic solutions, and assisting nations in post-conflict recovery. Notable examples include peacekeeping missions in regions such as the Balkans, Rwanda, and Sudan. These missions deploy multinational forces to stabilize volatile areas, protect civilians, and support political processes. The UN is also central to humanitarian efforts through agencies like the World Food Programme, the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, and the United Nations Children's Fund. It provides essential aid to millions affected by wars, natural disasters, and poverty. For instance, during the Syrian civil war, United Nations agencies coordinated relief efforts to deliver food, medical care, and shelter to displaced populations. Another critical area of UN work is human rights advocacy. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights, adopted in 1948, stands as a cornerstone of its human rights agenda. The UN Human Rights Council monitors violations and works with governments to uphold the dignity and rights of individuals worldwide. The UN also addresses global challenges such as climate change, sustainable development, and public health. The Paris Agreement on Climate Change, facilitated by the UN Framework Convention on Climate Change, is a landmark effort to combat global warming. Similarly, the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, with its 17 Sustainable Development Goals, provides a blueprint for achieving economic, social, and environmental progress. Critics, however, argue that the UN has limitations. Some point to the ineffectiveness of the Security Council, where veto powers can stall decisive action. Others highlight issues of inefficiency, bureaucracy, and financial dependency on a few member states. Despite these challenges, the UN remains indispensable in promoting multilateralism and fostering collective solutions to shared problems. The relationship between international law and the United Nations is deeply intertwined. The UN Charter is a foundational legal document that binds member states to principles of peace, security, and cooperation. Through its various judicial mechanisms such as the ICJ and ad hoc tribunals, the UN ensures accountability for crimes against humanity, war crimes, and genocide. As the world evolves, so do the challenges faced by the United Nations. The rise of cyber threats, pandemics, and geopolitical tensions underscores the need for a robust and adaptive UN. Calls for reform, particularly in the Security Council, reflect a growing demand for inclusivity and fairness in decision-making processes. In conclusion, the United Nations stands as a beacon of hope for global peace and progress. While not without flaws, its achievements in conflict resolution, humanitarian aid, and sustainable development and unparalleled. For a world that continues to face complex challenges, the UN's role is not just relevant but essential. Over.